Once upon a time, there was a village called Mont Blanc. Life in the village was good, but one day, a dragon appeared and people were terrified. The king decided that they were going to give the dragon an animal per day. The dragon ate the sheep, the cows, the rabbits. Soon, there was no animal left in Mont Blanc. The king had to make a hard decision. Now, they were going to give the dragon a person per day. The chance wanted the princess to be the first victim. The king and the queen were so sad, but the princess was brave and accepted her destiny. When she went to the dragon's cave, a knight appeared from nowhere riding a white horse. The knight, whose name was Sant Jordi, told the princess to return to the castle. He was going to face the dragon and liberate Mont Blanc. Sant Jordi fought the dragon and stabbed him with his sword, and the dragon disappeared. From his blood, a rose was born. Sant Jordi gave the rose to the princess. The beast returned it to Mont Blanc, and they never saw the knight Sant Jordi again. And that is the end of the story and the origin of the tradition. I hope you liked the story. Enjoy Sant Jordi's Day. Bye!